how to install Gemini as a desktop app. I am on my desktop now. You could use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it on both. I'm going to start off with the Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up Chrome. I'm going to go to Google Gemini. Make sure that you are logged in. I see my profile icon here. I am logged in. Next thing you want to do is go up to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. Click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and go down to where it says Install Page as App. Click on Install Pages as App. A little dialog box will open up. It asks you, do you want to rename this app? I'm going to leave it the way it is. Then all you would do is go down and click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to close this out. On the Edge web browser, go to Google Gemini. Make sure that you are logged in. Then you want to go up to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. Click on the three-dot menu. Then you will go down and place your cursor over More Tools. You'll slide straight off to the left and place your cursor over Apps, and then you'll slide straight off to the right, and you want to click on Install this site as an app. It shows the Google Gemini icon there. I'm going to click on Install this site as an app. A little dialog box will open up. It'll just take it a couple seconds and then it opens up automatically. The app is now open. There's a little dialog box. It asks where you want to pin the icon. Do you want to pin it to the taskbar? Do you want to pin it to the start? Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? Do you want it to auto-start on device login? You just have to use your own preferences here. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.